Hello everyone, today we have this new site. So first of all, as always, we click on sign up, then sign up with Google. Okay, so now we are in. Let's try the creating. So let me explain it in real quick. Here you can attach the script or the skill if you have one. So here we have the agent of image or the agent of the video. So the agent of image consists of ChatGPT, Image 2, Nano Pro, Midjourney, Nano 2, Seedream 5.0, Midjourney, Novel AI, Seedream 4.5, GPT 4.0. And for video agent, we have Grok Imagine 1.5, which we will work on it. We have Happy Horse, Seedance 2.0 Pro, Seedance 2.0 Fast, Sora, Happy Horse, Gemini Omni, Video Q3 Mix 1 2.7, and a lot of others. So the one with the crown on the right, you can't use it. The ones without the crown, you can use it. So for now, I'll try to work on Grok Imagine. So I chose the model. Now the styles. We have multiple styles. Here you can find like unlimited styles. For me, I'll try on the Family Guy style. For the assets here, you can make a character or scene, then import it right here. Now we have finally the ratio, which is I'll use 9/16, which is the favorite mobile ratio, and increase the duration to 10 seconds. I'll put the prompt right here and edit this. Then I'll import some image. Now we are good. We have the prompt, we have the model, the style, and we have the 9/16, 10 seconds, 720. You can put other resolution for other models. Now you notice that I have 200 credits and I can claim free credits each day with max of 60 credits per day. So let me click on generate, allow, and now we wait. Here I was forced to change the video agent to Kling 2.6 because the Grok wasn't working, it was busy. Because you know it's a free service, so not every agent will be available all the time.
Help me a lot if you subscribe for more
And here's the result.
useful videos. Hello, this is my new channel. You will help me a lot if you subscribe for more useful videos.
As you can see, here's the video detail, the quality of the video and the audio. Here I claim the 60 credits I have each day. Now I tried again using different model. And this time I use Halo 2.3 Pro. And here is the result. Here's the detail of the audio and the video. Now let's jump into image generation. I'll try first with Seedream 5.0. I put the style, type the prompt, you will notice that if you left everything at auto, you will need no credits. But if you changed the ratio, you will need to spend 20 credits for each generation. Now let's download the image. And as you can see, it's 4K image. Now let's try with ChatGPT Image 2.0. I copied the same prompt and pasted it. Here you notice that if you put desired ratio, 20 credits will be cut off. But if you left it on auto, no credits will be needed. And after some waiting, here is the result. I downloaded. Now, one last time, using reference image and still on ChatGPT Image 2.0. I left it on auto and put it 4K. You notice that now I will remove the watermark on the bottom right of the image. Using the stock Photos software, you will have it with Windows 11. On the bottom corner, you notice the OII watermark. I removed it using the erase tool. Basically, the erase tool works with Copilot, which is the AI provided by Windows Microsoft. Now, as you can see, we have a photo 4K without any watermark. If you felt that I helped you, please subscribe for my channel for more free AI sites.